Example number 1. Identify with the reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplets. Example number 5. Given number is 10, 24 and 27. Solution. First number 10. 10 square is equal to 100. 24 square is equal to 576 and 27 square is 729. Largest number is 27. 27 square is 729. Remaining two number 10 and 24. The square of 10 and square of 24 is equal to 100 plus 576 is equal to 676. From this, largest number square and addition of remaining two both are not equal. 676 is not equal to 729. Hence 10 square plus 24 square is not equal to 27 square. Square of one side is not equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Hence 10, 24, 27 is not the Pythagorean triplet. Example number 6. Given number is 11, 60 and 61. We have to find that this given triplet is Pythagorean triplet or not. Solution. First number 11 square is equal to 121. 60 square is equal to 3600 and 61 square is equal to 1721. The largest number is 61 and remaining two numbers 11 and 60. Square of 11 and square of 60, that is 121 and 3600 is equal to 3721, and largest number is 61 square is equal to 3721. From this we can say that 61 square is equal to 11 square plus 60 square. Hence, in this example, the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. By Converse-Gauss theorem, 11, 60 and 61 is the Pythagorean triplet. Example number 3. In figure, angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. Segment PM is perpendicular to the segment QR and point M is between point Q and R. PM is equal to 10 and QM is equal to 8. Find QR. In triangle PQR, measurement of angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. PM is altitude to the hypotenuse QR in point M, and PM is given 10 and QM is given 8. We have to find QR. Geometric mean PM square is equal to QM into MR. Substitute the value, then we will find MR. Sum of these two segment QM plus MR is equal to QR because M point lie between Q and R. Thus we find QR. Solution. In triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Segment PM is perpendicular to the segment QR. Hence, PM square is equal to QM into MR. The reason? By property of geometric mean. Substituting the value, 10 square is equal to 8 into MR. 10 squares means 100 is equal to 8 into MR. We have to find the value of MR. Hence, MR is equal to 100 upon 8 is equal to 12.5. Hence, MR is equal to 12.5. But QR is equal to QM plus MR. The reason is given between S. Hence, QR is equal to QM is given in example 8. MR we have already find here 12.5. Sum of that QR is equal to 20.5. Example number 5. For finding AB and BC with the help of information given in the figure, complete the following activities. First of all, we observe the figure. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. AB and BC both are equal. We already learned that in triangle, if the sides are equal, then opposite angle of that side also equal. By using this property, let us solve this activity. AB is equal to BC. In box, this is our given. Hence, our answer is in this box given. Angle BAC is equal to, we have to find angle BAC. If two sides are equal, then opposite angle are equal. Measurement of angle A, measurement of angle B, measurement of angle C is equal to 180. Addition of the three angles of that triangle is 180. And we have given B is 90 degree. Hence, addition of these two, angle A and angle C, is also 90 degree. And both are equal. Hence, angle BAC is equal to 45 degree. Next step, AB is equal to BC, that is 45 and 90 degree angle property. Opposite to the side of 45 degree is 1 upon under root 2 of the hypotenuse. Hence AC is hypotenuse. In this box, 1 upon under root 2. In next step, in box, answer is also 1 upon under root 2. AC, the value of AC is equal to under root 8. Here is substitute that value. In last one step, 1 upon under root 2 into, that is under root 8. Under root 8 means 2 into under root 2. From this step, under root 2 get cancelled. Hence last box, the answer is 2. Thus we complete this activity. Example number 7. In figure, angle DFE is equal to 90 degree. FG is perpendicular to the ED. If GD is equal to 8 and FG is equal to 12, find first value EG, find second value FD and find third value EF. In triangle DGF, GD is equal to 8, GF is equal to 12. By Pythagoras theorem, DF square is equal to GD square plus GF square. In this triangle, two sides are given. Hence, by Pythagoras theorem, we can find the hypotenuse. That is DF. Substituting the value, DF square is equal to 8 square plus 12 square. DF is equal to 8 square means 64, 12 square means 144. Sum of that two numbers, that is 208. 208 is multiplication of complete square number 16 into 13. Taking the square root, then we get DF is equal to 4 under root 13. Thus, in this triangle, three sides are known. By comparing similarity, triangle DEF similar to the triangle DFG by similarity of right angled triangles. Proportion side of DE is not required. Hence we take EF upon FG is equal to DF upon DG. The reason is sides are in proportionate. Substitute the value EF upon 12 is equal to 4 into under root 13 upon 8. We have to find the value of EF. Hence, EF is equal to 48 cross multiplication 48 under root 13 upon 8. that is EF is equal to 6 under root 13. Thus we find the value EF is equal to 6 under root 13. Then GF is altitude. Hence by geometric mean GF square is equal to dg into GE. Substituting the value GF 12, dg 8, hence 12 square is equal to 8 into GE. 12 square means 144 is equal to 8 into GE. We have to find the value of GE, hence GE is equal to 144 upon 8, that is GE is equal to 18. Thus we find the required value GE is equal to 18.